Hi guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now how many of you can relate to this story? So you bought your new motorcycle and you say, you know what, I'm gonna do one little upgrade to it. And then before you know it, you have 5 packages that showed up at your doorstep over a 5-month span with all the upgrades that you're gonna do. Now my first upgrade to my 2018 Indian Chieftain was the Tab Performance Stage 1 kit. Now because I like the Stage 1 kit so much, I decided to go with the Tab Performance 2x1x2 stainless steel header. So let's open up the box and see what came in the box. So here we have the stainless steel header. You can see it has the rear header pipe. Now you gotta use your front stock header pipe here, and then also your stock crossover here as well. Now also, they send you some new heat shield clamps. They also have some O2 sensor, I think they call them bungs also. It's gonna fit into the rear head pipe. And they also send you a rear head gasket as well that you're gonna use. Now you can reuse your front head gasket or you can get another one from Indian if you like. Now this is not gonna be an install video. There's plenty of install videos out there. Tab Performance makes a really good one that I'm gonna use to do my install. Now they say the install takes about 60 minutes. But I know it's gonna take me a little bit longer, well, because it's me. So I'm gonna install it, get everything back together, and then see how it sounds. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, so I'm out here. I got the headers on, and I have the bike put back together. Now, I did this by myself, and it took me about 3 hours. It's about what I expected. Now, I know most of you can probably do this in an hour, hour and a half, but for me, I ride these bikes way better than I work on them. Now, in a minute here, I'm gonna start the bike up and see what it sounds like. But first, I wanna go over my setup. So I put on the 1-to-2 stainless steel headers from Tab Performance, and I also have the Tab Performance slip-ons, the 4.5 with the medium baffles, and a K&N air filter. Now, if you want a louder, more aggressive sound, I really recommend you check out their zombie baffles. Now, as most of you know, I started with the Stage 1 kit. And when I did that, I had to use the Power Vision 3 to tune it. So now that I put the new header on, I'm gonna have to get another tune and reflash the bike. So I called Dynojet, and they told me to send them a copy of my PV info file. So I went on their website, I filled out a little form that they had, I attached my PV info file, and I emailed it to them. Now I have to say I'm very impressed with Dynojet. Within 2 hours, I have my new tune. So I have the new tune flash to the bike, so let's start it up and see how it sounds. So now I'm gonna take it out, see how it rides on the road. All right, guys, so I'm back. I went out for about an hour ride, and I really like this setup. So if you're looking to do some upgrades to your Indian motorcycle, I highly recommend Tab Performance. I'm really excited about this setup that I have. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.